What up, what up? It's your boy Mr. Gentleman T himself, and welcome to Everyday FXT. Yes, sir. Okay, welcome back, guys, to another one of our daily analysis. Yes, before I dive straight into it, don't forget to push that like button, comment in the comment section down below, press that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified because I drop every day to keep up with the trend. I don't want you to miss out on this good information, this good analysis. So turn on that notification bell so that you are notified every time I drop. Because I'll be dropping every day, guys. I won't be missing anything, guys. So yeah, it's a bigger time frame, but this is not our main focus. This is not our main focus, guys. I'll probably give you guys a top down on Friday. Or better it on Sunday or Saturday. I don't drop on Saturday. Yeah, I think I'll give you a top-down analysis on Saturday, guys, so that we get the overview of all these three favorite pairs of mine: GBPUSD, USDJPY, and USDCAD. So, first pair of the day, guys, that will be USDJPY. So USDJPY, guys, has been in this zone that we spoke about. Nicely highlighted this zone, and it has been playing within this zone. So, guys, what I think will happen is that I'm looking for this price to come down here, close below, come to these areas. Like I said, I'm waiting for my buy entries. So I won't dive deep into this pair because it's still within this range right here. And I might as well take this a little bit there because it seems like the market is not really ready to break this area, not giving us a clear direction of where it's going. So it's safe to say on a 1 hour time frame, let's give USDJPY a break until further notice. The notice, you'll be definitely getting it from me to tell you, okay, this is the direction of the market. But for now, let's give it a break. Let me move on to our first yet second pair of the day. I'm gonna go to USDK. No, okay, right, exactly. So, guys, remove this. Let me remove this. Exactly, I'll go straight into what I've just removed, guys. So you can see that from the structure that the market has been forming, which is our pair GBPUSD, it shot all the way to the downside and it found itself within this range. So I decided to highlight this range, guys, simply because the market has been playing within this range, doing the same thing that USDJPY did, but now we can really tell that the market really wants to go to the downside, but something is declining it from going to the downside. Tells me that there are a lot of buyers in this area, and it's like a 40% of buyers and sellers in this area. So there's a very huge competition which results in this range right here. So what I'm seeing, guys, actually what I would love to see happening is I'd really love to see the market correcting, really correcting below this resistant trend line. But in this case, I really want to include also our support trend line so that we see that this market will be correcting in a correct formal manner. So what I'd like to see now is the market to push all the way to the upside, tap in this area, go down, break below this range. Really, I'm not. But then because the market has been playing very cautiously in this area, I might as well leave that range in there and let's see what the market does if it decides to break below or above this area. So what we have on GBPUSD, guys, is that we have a correction to the downside until the market can eventually break above and push all the way to the upside. So what I'd like to see, guys, is the market to at least correct. Here's the first touch here. Here's the second touch. Shoot all the way to the upside. Give us a dead touch on our resistance, and then come back all the way down here. Give us a nice dead touch on the support. Go up. Okay, go all the way up. Touch here. Come down. Give us a nice touch. Break above. Come retest, and then boom, all the way to the upside. At least this will make much more sense if the market does play out exactly how anticipated. But that would be a very quick one if it does that. What I'd like to see really is for myself to extend this area right here and see the market really playing playing within this area, and eventually, eventually, the market come give us a rejection exactly here, and then come close above, and then boom, break this correction resistant, pull back, and then boom. Or we might as well just wait to see this pullback coming here, giving us a correction before it can eventually shoot to the upside. So my buy entries, I want my buy entries to be very low, guys. I want my buy entries to be very low. Remember, we want to sell high and buy low. That's the rule of trading. Whew, I'm a bit tired. Guys. And I'm very excited that in a couple of minutes it's Tuesday, and I can't wait to kill the markets with you guys. So let me move on to our last and final pair, which will be USD CAD. So on USD CAD, it's also super very nice, guys. No complaints on this pair. It's very nice. It's very nice. I won't complain. So we did see that inverse head and shoulders. It did play along our lines, but it couldn't really give us what we wanted. But then from here, it shot all the way to the downside, rejected at this very same support shoulder, and then it shot again to the upside. So this tell me that if you look a little bit closer, this rejection candle here didn't really break or give us an equal low to that previous low here. So the market is still on the uptrend. This is what I would like to see. Really, this is what I'd love to see the market do for me to really say, yeah, I love you, I respect you. You're giving me what I really like to see. So this is what I really want to see. See the market giving me something like this. I'd really like to see the markets giving me something like this. Let's get rid of this. Yeah. Yeah, something very smooth, something very smooth, nothing too hectic. See the market giving us oh, that touch to the upside, come back to the downside, come here, give us some double top, and eventually come break, give us a retest, and then boom, all the way to downside here. But I won't wait for the market to break this trend line. As soon as it gets here and gives me a nice double top or some sort of rejection to the upside, I'm ready to place my sell entries. So for now, I don't want to trade in the middle of nowhere, because let me go on a bigger time frame. I'm sure you guys can see that these areas that I've highlighted here, these are areas where we would like to see the market giving us some juice. So the market really broke below this area and it hasn't retested it. Just wait for the market patiently to come and test it. This very huge key level. Wait for the market to correct all the way to the upside until it can eventually short all the way to the downside. So our first take profit when it breaks down here, which is 1.22991, and our second TP will be exactly right here on 1.22465. Super nice and simple. So like I said, guys, that will be what I'll be doing on USDCAD. And yeah, that's it for our today's lesson, our today's analysis, guys. This is very nice. This is very nice, guys. So don't forget to press that like button, the subscribe button, turn on that notification bell to be notified every time I drop, or if I keep you guys on the toes so that you are keeping up with the trend. That'll make me very happy to see things going accordingly and really respecting what we anticipate as traders. So guys, I really enjoy doing this for you guys. I'm doing this really just to show those who cannot see what maybe the market is giving us on a bigger time frame or on a smaller time frame. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. It's your boy Mr. Gentleman T himself, and this is Everyday FX T. Yes, I am signing out. Peace.